Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the invisible ink recipe from Adventure Girls. So the first thing you need is some blank paper, Q-tip, a spoon, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a cup water, and some juice. You can use any juice. We're using lemon juice today. So first thing you want to do is you pour your baking soda into your water and take your spoon and stir it up so the baking soda dissolves. Once it dissolves, you take your paper and you dip a Q-tip in the mixture, and you can write anything you want on it. So you put it off to dry, and once your message dries, you can reveal your message with any kind of juice by putting a Q-tip in the juice and rubbing the cotton swab over where your message was.